I'm going to fill out NMAT application form myself, step by step, to help you avoid any blunders that could cost you money or even the chances that you can take the exam. So let me start with a very basic question. What is NMAT exam? What are the colleges? Which are the colleges who are taking the score of NMAT? It is basically the exam which is a gateway for you to enter the colleges like NIMS Mumbai, then KJ Somaiya, and then 50 plus colleges across this country. Now, why should you take NMAT? I know most of you have planned to appear for CAT this year and have your main target as IIM, but the point is, what if things does not go planned? So you should not put all your eggs in one basket and appear for the exams like NMAT. Also, NMAT has a lot of advantages for you to offer. First is, it is the only adaptive exam in the country. You can choose your exam date. You can also choose a section order. It is basically of lower difficulty level when you compare with CAT. And also the exam results are very instant, and then the availability of retake is there for you if you want to improve the score. And also no geometry. A lot of people fear from geometry, so you would have no geometry in the exam of NMAT, and also access to NMIS Mumbai. So let's start the step-by-step guidelines to fill the application form for NMAT. So let me get started with the application process. First, we have to go to mba.com. In the menu, under the exam, just select NMAT by GMAC. Then you have to click on register to see the important dates and fees. Your registration date has opened on August 1st. Then the deadline to register is October 10th, 2025. The scheduling deadline is 14th October. The exam slots are available on first come, first serve basis. So don't wait until the last day to register or schedule the exam. You might not get the preferred city, location, or the time slot. Right, so the registration fees is around 3,000 plus taxes. A retake could also cost you the same. If you need to reschedule, it will cost you additional 1,200 plus taxes. I highly recommend using a mock test to decide on your final exam date to avoid paying extra money for rescheduling. Now let's create your account on mba.com. If you have taken the NMAT before, you can use your existing account. If not, then click on register here and then let's go. You can use an email ID you check regularly and create your password that you don't forget. Right, once you verified your email, you will be on your NMAT by GMAC dashboard. Everything from your application to your admit card and your score will be in this dashboard only. Now you have to click on register now to begin the application form. It is a 7-step process. So you have to fill out your personal information, and this is something that we need to fill this very carefully. Your name, your date of birth must match your official ID. Upload a recent passport photograph with a plain white or light colored background. No selfies or no social media edited photos that can be used here. Your eyes must be clearly visible. If you wear glasses, wear in photo as well, right? Second, you have to fill out your contact information. This is where you have to put your current and permanent address. This is crucial for selecting your test center, as the system will show you the options accordingly, right? Education, and then you have education and work experience. Enter your highest education level. Also your work experience after your graduation. Be careful with the dates. The work experience is calculated as of July 1st, 2025. Right. Then school preferences. Here you can select the colleges to which you want to and send your scores. You get to send your scores to 5 colleges for free. After that, each additional college will cost you plus 400 plus taxes. Additional information, this section is just to collection of your data on your other exam plans and how you will finance your MBA. So this does not affect your admissions, right? Then you have the declaration. You have to read and agree to the terms, right? Then 7th is your payment window. Complete the payment for your exam fees, right? Then you have to also look forward with the exam section strategy. Section wise exam structure and strategy. Now you know how to fill your form. Let's quickly get over the exam structure to help you with preparation. Now NMAT has 3 sections. Language section, which is verbal, 36 questions in 28 minutes. Logical reasoning, 36 questions in 40 minutes. Then quantitative skills, 36 questions that needed to be solved in 52 minutes. So total you would have 108 questions in 2 hours. And the time management is very crucial for the exams like NMAT and SNAP. So very important thing to remember, there is no negative marking, but there is a repercussion if you leave a question. So try to attempt all the questions, don't leave a question. So you must have to attempt all the 108 questions. I hope this video is helpful in guiding you through the application process of NMAT and giving you push to start your NMAT preparation.